Guys, good morning. Morning rush. Kasi may time pa mag-McDo. Pero late na kami sa ferry. Mga last minute na side quest. Ayan, nag-Vancouver para lang mag-samgyup at matcha. Anyway, see you later. We made it. Hi guys! Going to Richmond Park House. UB. We're gonna go here. Tapos, I don't know. I'm just going up. It's cold. We are at Richmond Brick House station. We're going to walk to UB. Yun yung train. And it's very windy here. Kasi namadalas kasi may security guard kami sa likod. Tada! We made it! Where are we going? I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. We're going to Paragon Matcha. And we're walking. So yeah. See ya. Sticky rice na matcha. So, yeah. Try. Try kalahati. Dali.
Ipapan mo rin.
Sarap?
Everybody asks, how's the matcha? Nobody asks, how's the matcha maker?
Pakawalay mo. Sis, how do you rate? 8. An 8.
I'm at least at home.
Yeah.
Tastes like you're in the Philippines. Daming sinabi, diba? Pero ang sarap niya, guys.
Pero hindi siya lasang mango. Wala yung lasang mango.
Yeah, hindi nga lang siya lasang mango. But it's good.
Diba?
Yeah.
Parang kanin na sinabawan mo. Lube. No, parang champurado pero matcha. Daming sinabi.
Parang
Wala na. Cut.
So guys, we're on our way to Stanley Park. Mga pa kami excited sa Stanley Park. Guys, we just went to Newtown and we're going to Jollibee. Jollibee! Oh, we are na.
Time to eat. And time to kwenta.
Right.